Okay, so I'm at the construction site today. It's a nice sunny day. It rained all day yesterday, so nothing was happening. However, today the plan is to pre-treat the site for termite. So the termite people or the exterminators will be here hopefully soon to treat the site, pre-treat the site for termites. I just called the company and they say that they are on their way. So in the meantime, I'll go ahead and take a look at the property, make sure it looks okay, and just watch what they're doing to kind of learn the process for future builds. Anyway, it rained all day yesterday. I see some wet spots around the concrete. I'm just gonna look around and make sure that it looks okay. Not that I really know what I'm looking at, but it'll be all right. Okay, that's it. Bye.